Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire panel, part number 316456527. Frigidaire panel, part number 316456527 is a replacement part for Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a panel that fits onto the front of the refrigerator and helps to keep the temperature inside the refrigerator consistent. The panel is made of durable plastic and features a black finish. It has 2 slots for adjusting the temperature settings, as well as 2 screws for attaching it to the refrigerator. This part is designed to fit all Frigidaire refrigerators and can be used to replace a damaged or missing panel. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement control panel for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can be used to fix issues such as the refrigerator not cooling properly, the temperature display not working, or the control panel buttons not responding. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the appliance at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the screws that secure the existing panel to the appliance. 3. Carefully remove the existing panel and set aside. 4. Place the new Frigidaire panel in place and secure with screws provided in package. 5. Turn on power to appliance at circuit breaker and test for proper operation of new panel. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.